In this video I will show you to add a new section, add a new row and add new element in ClickFunnels website. Here we have a demo page. I can edit this one, then scroll down. Now click here plus button, this one, then add a section. Here you can see we can add 4 type of sections: full width, wide, medium, small. Let me select this one. You can also add this section from the top, then you can manage the existing sections. To add a new row, here you can use this option as well as click on this button, add new row. Here you can add the 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 columns, whatever you want to add. So let me select this one, 1 column row. Now scroll down. Here we got the option to add the new element. Click here. Here we can add any of the element from here. For example, let me add this one, image element. Then scroll down. Here click on settings. Then we can add the image. So let me select one of the image from here. This one, then click add image. That looks fine. Now you can duplicate the element from here. This one is the element settings. This one is the for the element moving, drag and drop. Here you can delete this element. Then same for the row. You can go to settings. This one is the row setting. Here you can scroll down. You can select the width. You can align it center, left, right. This one is for the section settings. You can duplicate, you can save it so that you can easily reuse it anywhere. Then you can delete it. So this one is for the up and down.